Hey, what's up everybody? John here, Delighted Acres Farm. Stopped at Atwood's the other day, a couple days ago. I've been riding around with egg ration in my pickup. So I gotta take it out here, take care of it. I don't know if the chickens need any right now, but we'll find out. What up, girls? Well, hello. Pearl's camera shy. Pearl. Hello. Are you being broody or did you just, nope. Holy cow. Okay, so it's been a few days since we collected eggs, and so as you may have seen, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 eggs. So looks like there's 15 eggs, and so it's been a few days. Too many days since we collected, but that's right. They're still doing good. I'm going to take care of this feed, make sure they've got plenty of feed and water, give them a little snack today. So, how you guys doing? You guys having better weather? We had thunderstorms, heavy wind, heavy rain, hail the other day. We were getting our taxes done, and it came through. And half a mile from where we were, there was tennis ball size hail. Where we were is pea size, so just that close, and we could have had some huge damage, but we didn't have any damage because it was small. It didn't cause any problem, but some people got the big stuff. And then I moved from central Oklahoma, southwest Oklahoma, up through Oklahoma City, up toward the Tulsa area, and up that way, and then on over to the Midwest and like Indiana, Ohio, and places. And they had severe weather. And my brother-in-law sent us a picture, or actually is a YouTube video of in the Cincinnati area, one of the news stations did a story, and the wind had blown over like 6 or 7 electric lines or electric poles, and there were lines across the interstate, and so it had, of course, had traffic at a backup and a standstill. So we didn't have that in Oklahoma, but they had that in Cincinnati. So anyway, I gotta get this stuff taken care of. Yeah, look at her back. Okay. So real quick, before I do that, that's Helen. And I don't know if you remember, back November or so, she had spots where she had been picked at and plucked at. And it's not like bloody or anything. Right now it's just no feathers. Then it was really, really red and no feathers. But I think the other girls are bored. They're not like trying to hurt her or anything, but she is kind of their target of pecking right now. And so I want to build a small little cage that attaches or sits next to the chicken coop. But maybe we can isolate her. So maybe we can isolate her for a while, but not in the garage. Last time it was in the garage in a dog crate. Not ideal. Definitely not ideal. So we're gonna come up with some other idea. I don't know. Stay tuned. We may show that. Sorry, I got distracted. I'm watching a couple of mockingbirds jockeying for position to see who's going to be the one that gets to sing the song tonight. If you don't know, the lead mockingbird, the alpha, he will find the tallest spot in the yard or wherever they are roosted up. But in our case, it's the tallest tree in the backyard, and he will get up there and he will sing and sing and sing and sing and try to attract the ladies. And so anyway, they just distracted me. Look out, girls. I need to get some water. Need to go ahead and fill up the feed. Y'all just hang out right there. Scratch. Come back to that. All right, girls. Get some water. Hold on, back up. Back up, back up, back up. Get your foot out of the way. if you are not aware, we do not free range our chickens. They are always in here. The coop and the run. This is 4 by 6 feet. And there's 4 chickens. But we don't let them out. Partly because we have 2 packs of coyotes living within half a mile. We have stray dogs from a mile over that actually have tried to get into the coop. We have had a bobcat in the backyard. We have different types of birds of prey, owls, hawks, kites, that kind of thing. And we have possum, there's raccoons, there's what's the other one? Skunks, you know, stuff like that. So there are all kinds of predators. And so for the protection of the chickens, and because we're not out here all that much, we just don't let them out. Now, if we had a whole flock, we might, you know, let them out, let them free range. But that's going to take a whole different setup than what we have. And so what we have right now works for 4. I don't think we're going to get more than that for our space. But because they don't free range, they don't get out here and get to dig in the grass and all of the stuff that's growing right now. Like all of this goodness. So all of this green, they don't get out here and forage through it. So what we do now that it's springtime, whenever we come out and we take care of the chickens, we will grab handfuls of all of this vegetation and we will put it in with them, let them peck through it, let them eat it, and ideally you pull it up with the roots. So it's got little bugs and stuff that are down in the dirt and stuff. And so that's what we do. We pull this stuff up, we throw it in, and they enjoy it. But then we also give them some scratch and we give them some boon worms and stuff like that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get them a snack of the vegetation and some boon worms and some scratch. Come on, girls. Come on. Wheel. Didn't want to open for me. Come on now. Here. All right. Y'all enjoy that? Let me get a snack. Now, so we got the scratch. And look at all the goodness in there. So there's all different kinds of grains and seeds and stuff, corn and millet, and I don't know what all else. So I will give that to them. And get some of these good old boon worms that they almost smell, they almost have a chocolatey smell to them. Now, I'm not going to eat them, though. All right. There we go. Gonna mix it up a little. There you go, girls. Even better. See, look at Helen. She's doing okay. She just looks bad. That back part of her. So, I don't know. We're going to have to take a look at her. But like I said, she's not bleeding. She's not red and raw like she could be. like she had been at one time. So put this lid back on here. So you guys, if you have chickens or other animals outside, this is a great way to store their feed. Metal trash can, because animals can't gnaw through it, and it keeps it weather tight. Mostly here where this handle attaches, water sometimes will seep through there, but it's not that bad of a issue. So now let's get these eggs. Ooh, doggies. All right, well, set that there. Come on, girls. We don't need your feathers. We don't need the poop. It's just feathers. I'll clean that in a second. Doggone, y'all. All right, I will go ahead and I'll go ahead and collect these real quick, and we'll see what happens. Oh, see, look, one got broken, and so that's why it's all stuck. It's because of the yolk. So, doggone it. That's frustrating. That's my fault, though. That is my fault, because I have not been good about coming out here and collecting the eggs. Doggone it. So, if I would have come out here like I should. Oh, shoot. See, look. So, that one is going to be, it's going to be a give back. I'm going to give that back to the girls. So, anyway, hold on. Almost done. All right. Remember how many I said. I think I said 15 earlier. So, all right. So there is, yeah, we got to clean that out this weekend. I don't have time right now. Okay, so I am going to just ready. I'm going to give them back a couple of these eggs here. One that is definitely cracked. So, hey girls, you ready? Hey. That's one. Going to town. Okay. Oh, that one didn't break. Look out, girls. Hey, move. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, that frustrates me. So, all right. I got them I gave them 3 eggs. And I'm gonna have to actually, we don't like to wash our eggs. We leave them on the counter so we can use them fresh without doing all the refrigerating stuff. Well, these are gonna have to be washed just because they're dirty and they got egg residue and feathers that are pasted to it because of the egg residue. Like I said, my fault. I should have got out here and taken care of things but that's okay. I will next time. The weather's been nicer, is getting nicer. It's going to be easier to get out here in the daylight. Whew. Y'all, I'm so fat and out of shape. I'm struggling to breathe right now because I had to exert myself. I don't do well exerting myself here in the last number of months, but I'm working on it. I'm working on eating a little healthier, fewer calories, all that stuff. So we'll see how that goes. I'll be 51 this summer. I should not feel like I'm 92. So anyway, so I'm going to get these eggs in the house. We're going to have dinner. Kelly is getting stuff ready for that. I'm going to be done with the chickens for today. You guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. I haven't been regular about getting our chicken videos and stuff out and just our farm stuff at all. And we've been busy. Sometimes life takes precedence over videos, and you guys, I hope that you understand that. But thanks for watching. It means a lot. Some of y'all have even are new subscribers in the last couple of weeks, and that's awesome. And I haven't done a whole lot. I haven't had a whole lot of quality, but I have put some stuff out, and so I appreciate you guys watching that. So you guys, y'all are awesome, 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 awesome. So I'm going to get off here. If you like it, please hit like, ring the notification bell so you know when new stuff comes out. What else? Oh, become a subscriber if you're not subscribed. And you guys, oh, I see a bunny rabbit. Hold on. I will see if I can get over there to it. All right, well, I don't know what I did. I was trying to show you guys a cottontail out here in the cow lot, but I did something wrong. So I didn't actually record it. I got a photo of me stalking a rabbit. I was funny. I even sounded like Elmer Fudd, and you guys missed that. So, but I'm not going to do it again. Anyway, the rabbit's gone. Once again, thanks, you guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great rest of your day, whatever day it is you're watching this. I'll see you on the next video.